what is this? A McDonald's NFT?
Yeah. Have you seen this?
No, I haven't.
It's for the McRib.
What's up with the McRib? Is there really this much of a commitment to the McRib?
Have you tried it?
Yeah, I'm sure I did 1,000 years ago, but is it that big of a deal?
I'm guessing this is the first of one of many McDonald's NFT line. And the McRib is just a really iconic meal.
I guess it's because NFTs are all about scarcity. And then the McRib is kind of like a scarce McDonald's item because it seems to come and go. Mm-hmm. The pizza would be another NFT.
The chicken wing.
They had chicken wings?
They had chicken wings, yeah.
Oh, I never knew that.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a few items that pop up at McDonald's for a minute.
Rock shake, you know.
What was the flavor? That mint?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. McDonald's is creating its first ever non-fungible token in honor of the McRib's 40th anniversary. Oh, okay, so there's a reason. The fast food chain will be giving out the NFTs to fans on Twitter starting November 1st. Oh, my goodness. NFTs are... Yeah, we know what NFTs are. You don't have to tell us, NBC. I present to you... Look at the way they wrote the tweet.
I know. Like
no caps and then...
Trying to be cool.
Yeah, wow.
Trying to be modern.
I present to you the most important NFT. Retweet for a chance to win one of 10 exclusive McRib NFT hashtag. No purchase necessary. 50 US. 18 plus only. Winners need a crypto wallet to receive the NFT. Man, I like the presentation though with the gold McDonald's card. That looks cool.
Very collectible.
1.8 million views. It's really funny what it takes for something to really sell to you the idea of collectability. Like gold and shiny seems to immediately say, oh, I need to collect that.
It has like a hologram look too, like 3D.
And it has to spin around and there has to be glowing and animation and there, it's collectible. Perfect. But isn't it weird that so you have crypto, you have NFTs, you have whatever post money, post currency mindset. It's certainly post raw material, post precious metal ideas, right? And yet you still try to mimic precious metals. You see what I'm saying here?
Yeah.
Like it looks like a hunk of gold in a golden room.
Maybe this is just a phase where they have to kind of wean into like some sort of digital world. But for now, they have to go with like physical skeuomorphism kind of.
For the record, I'm not I'm not saying it's that I don't like it. It's funny that it works on us.
Yeah.
It's like in the Olympics, you're really good at a sport and you get a gold medal. It's like, here's your gold medal. Or you would be playing a video game and there would be some version of it. Like, you scored gold. I wonder what these NFTs will be worth. If there's only 10 of them, man.
Yeah, maybe in like 10 years.
Not even 10 years. In a week, if the 10 are given out.
Oh, yeah. I'm curious too.
They're going to fly, man. It's like supply and demand.
It's just funny. Like they have these official rules. You can kind of take a look at it, but it's really long. And they tell you like what to do and what not to do about the NFT if you do win it.
Interesting. You know?
Like you can only sell the NFT, but you can't promote it in a way where like you can get money but not sell it.
Oh, you can't use the NFT. You can't like sell tickets to look at the NFT.
Yeah, you can't do that.
You can't have an art gallery.
But it's a whole like
you can't open your own McDonald's
with
the NFT. Yeah, I get it. Wow, that's wild.